Hi, I'm Brett from the New Wheel electric bike shop in San Francisco and Marin County, and I'm with the Focus Sam², Focus's new Enduro style mountain bike. It has 170 millimeters of travel, which allows you to ride more places, do more advanced trail riding, and just have more fun. Enduro mountain bikes traditionally are long travel bikes that allow you to have a lot of fun going downhill. Now, on the flip side, they're not always as fun going up the hill. So you'll often see an Enduro mountain bike slung onto the back of a truck, driven up, and then riding down. The Sam² puts a twist in this whole concept. You are now able to have an amazing Enduro-style mountain bike, but you can get rid of the car. The Sam² is built on the same Focus squared platform as the Jam². What that is a collaboration between Shimano and Focus to build the best electric mountain bike that they can. The Shimano E8000 motor is designed in such a way that Focus can maintain the same geometry as a normal high-spec mountain bike. So really short chainstays for really quick handling, a normal Q factor between your pedals, and a really lightweight, nimble geometry. The E8000 motor combined with Focus's battery technology, which is fully enclosed in the frame to be as lightweight and as compact as possible, gives this bike the most natural ride feel of any electric mountain bike that's on the market. But just as important as the lightweight internal battery is Focus's tailored energy concept. This is the idea that you want to take as much power as you need for any given ride. If you're going on a short 30-minute, hour ride, you may not need a huge capacity battery. But if you want to go on an all-day ride, then maybe you do. And so what Focus has come up with is a way to pair a second battery that sits right on the down tube, clicks in, and effectively doubles your range from around 390 watt-hour battery up to a 756 watt-hour battery. You now have one of the biggest battery capacities available on any electric mountain bike. The rear triangle of the Sam² is a one-piece design, simpler from a linkage perspective, but it also is much lighter weight and a lot stiffer than traditional suspension designs. Sam² is built around Focus's fold kinematic. What this is a two-linkage design that's patented by Focus. And just like the Jam² it allows for incredible responsiveness in all trail conditions. The Focus engineers have even designed a little bit of lateral movement into the pivots, and this gives the bike even better control and better handling. When you combine this Ingenious two-linkage design with 170 millimeters of travel, you can ride anywhere and feel confident in any situation. So the Focus Sam² comes in two colors, this amazing red color and what they're calling an iron gray, so it's a little bit more understated. It comes with Fox suspension, front and rear, Magura MT5 brakes, amazing dropper seat post, which is a must-have, and a SRAM drivetrain. At the end of the day, beyond all the specs, what really stands out on the Sam² is when you come and see it in person. It's a stunning bike. The lines are just right. It looks like a normal bike. It doesn't even look like an electric bike. So who is this bike for? Traditionally, Enduro bikes are for more extreme riding conditions, for more advanced riders. But this is a whole new breed. This is a bike that's just plain fun. With the Sam² you get an Enduro-style bike with long travel that gives you all the benefits without any of the drawbacks because of the electric assist. So if you're looking for a bike that will bring your riding to a new level, or you're just looking to be more comfortable and in control on your electric mountain bike, or you just want a bike that looks awesome and that will turn heads, you need to come into the store. We've got the Sam² available for test riding in our Marin location, and I'd love for you to come in and take a spin. You're gonna love it.